Remember, I had that 62 Cadillac Sedan deVille, and I said that it was moving on and I was getting something different. Well, this is what we ended up with. Traded the Cadillac straight across for this 1990 SeaRay 200. The Cadillac we pretty much got no use out of the whole time we had it. It just kind of sat here and I piddled with it whenever I was bored or whatever, but I bought the car because I always wanted a 60s Cadillac, but I didn't really have a use for it. I didn't really have a lot of motivation to work on it just because I didn't really need it for anything. I've got other projects that are kind of time consuming. What little time that I do have, I didn't really need another big project, and it wasn't really a car you could just hop in and drive anywhere, so traded it for this thing. I was probably only about $2,700 into the Cadillac, so I think that's fairly decent for the boat. We got it registered and everything. We took it out on the water, I think 4 times before it got cold outside. The trailer, from what I understand, is original to the boat. It needs a little bit of work, probably some new paint, and these little step places are missing the wood. I might throw some tread plate on them, or I might just replace the wood. I'm not sure. But it's got a 4.3 liter V6 and alpha outdrive. It's kind of a mess in here right now. I just pulled it in the shop so I can kind of tinker with it this winter. The upholstery is not perfect. You see the tops of the seats up there, but for the most part, it's a pretty decent little boat. We've had a lot of fun taking it out. My daughter absolutely loves it. My wife has a good time. My best friend and his wife, they have a boat, so we go out with them and stuff, and it's really been a blast, and it's something I never thought that I wanted, but I absolutely love this thing. The guy I got it from, he worked at a shop that worked on boats, and basically they got this thing needing a transom and a floor. The previous owners didn't want to spend the money to do all that, so it sat there for a couple of years, and then he told his boss, like, if you're not going to do anything with it, I'll take it and fix it and enjoy it. So he did that, took it out a few times, and then saw the Cadillac listed, and he had a 60 Cadillac before, so it piqued his interest, and I think we both made out pretty decent on the trade. But yeah, we're absolutely loving the boat. It's got a bimini that is under this cover in the back, and then the engine is under this cover. The future plans for this thing is we're gonna enjoy the crap out of it next summer, but it's got just these speakers back here, and then these front speakers are not put in there very well. I want to replace all 4 of those, and then I would like to add 2 more speakers up here in the bow, kind of below the seats down there is what I'm thinking, just so that it's got a decent sound system. Might add some lights or something, but I would like to start working on the upholstery, but I don't know if that's something I really have time for or really want to take on. I don't know. I might kind of put some feelers out. I know a couple of guys that do upholstery. Maybe they would be interested in some side work or whatever. But yeah, Cadillac is gone, long gone. We have a boat now, and we're loving it.